Did North Carolina's juvenile justice reform a few years ago go too far? That's the question facing state Senate lawmakers this afternoon. They passed a bill actually to begin rolling back some of those changes. WRAL Capitol Bureau Chief Laura Leslie joining us live now from the legislative building to explain what it would do. Give us the details here, Laura.
Dan, back in 2019, there was a new law called Raise the Age took effect. And before that, North Carolina treated many teens as adults in the criminal justice system, much more so than any other state, really. The Raise the Age Act changed that to divert more teens into the juvenile justice system instead. Now, under the current law, all teens under 18 start out in juvenile court. Teens who are age 16 and 17 can be transferred to an adult court at the discretion of a judge if they've committed a violent crime or other serious felony. The bill the Senate voted on would change that. The teens age 16 and 17 charged with a violent crime would start out in adult court instead. Now, the judge could move them to the juvenile system. The bill sponsors say the teens being charged with violent crimes are causing a backlog in the juvenile system. They say most of these cases will end up in adult court anyway, and this will just speed up that process. But critics say those teens should still start in the juvenile system where they can access mental health and other services they may need.
Idea, Laura, of some of the things that the sponsors are saying that will change in this Raise the Age bill that will improve things.
Right. There are some changes, they say, that are getting some praise from advocates for Raise the Age. One of them is a provision that increases the penalties for adults who entice or extort children to commit crimes. The sponsors say it's an anti-gang proposal. Another part of the bill gives school officials more flexibility to not automatically suspend students when they've been charged with a crime. The bill passed the Senate here just moments ago with support of strong bipartisan support, 41-4. It now goes to the House for their consideration. Dan?
We'll see what happens next. Laura Leslie, live for us in Raleigh. Thanks, Laura.